Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today we have a Bachmann Anglia Railways for you. It is catalogue 32453 and it's a class 170/2 Turbostar 2-car DMU in Anglia Railways. So we'll pop it out and we'll have a look at it on the track. And here we go. There's a lot in my collection that obviously I've had to find second hand, but I've always been lucky that they've pretty much been good runners. And again, Anglia Railways being one of the liveries I collect, I did want to get the slightly older style livery in it, as well as the One Anglia livery. But this is a really nice 2-car set. So we'll take a closer look. It does have directional lighting on it, but it is quite dim, so I'm not too sure if it will show up that way. You can just see it, just they are small lights on it. But again, it's a cool looking livery, and I do like the detail you get with Bachmann. It's got the protruding door steps on it as well. And plenty of detail all the way along, including the top. Again, it's another one I'm quite happy to have in my Anglia Railways collection. So I hope you've liked the look at that, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.